Hello everyone, this is Jim from the Auto Finance. Welcome back to our channel. We are with you on 2nd of December afternoon analysis. Alright, we have received some new fresh news, and that is OPEC Plus meeting has almost ended. Like they have released this statement press release on their website, and then on that one it's saying that they are reaffirming the current production levels, and in January they are planning to add 400,000 barrel daily. They have agreed on this plan, and there will be another explanation, probably another like a press speech on TVs, but on their website they are showing like this. There, there is no production cut. That means there will be regular production. And just one thing, they say they are closing watching the market closely, and if needed they may take action immediately. That means like if they see a spike in oil prices is on new cases, then they may say, all right, we are cutting 1 million barrel daily on production. We don't want less prices. Something like this can happen, but even for this, they need to make a sudden video conference or something like that. They cannot do that in just 1 second or something like that. We will see on the coming days. There may be another OPEC Plus meeting. Right now, they said they are watching closely, and then the next meeting will be on January 4. All right, and we have received the data also from US 10-year bonds, and that is less than expected. Expected number weekly was 240 and 40K, and release data is 222K. That's really good number, and people are returning to their jobs in US. That's a good news. Overall, continuing jobless claims is less than 2 million right now, and that's also good news for US market. And we will see that beneficial claims will be good for less, because on government budget there will be less money needed for those payments. All right, we will cover three charts as always. The first one is dollar index, the second one is Bitcoin, and the other one will be silver. We will cover all these and then we will talk about them. Dollar index is rising and falling because the rising reason is faster tapering, but like a declining is new variant in US. And right now there's only one person, but interesting point is that person is vaccinated 2 doses and having some mild symptoms. So even like vaccinated people are getting affected so fast. So we don't know like the transmission speed, but if we see new cases, and especially these new Omicron variant cases rise in US, so we will see more decline in dollar index. It may test just 95 to 32, 33 levels is the first support. This area may be tested in short term if these variants spreads in US in more people. We will see that. Right now there is only one reported case. We don't know like how it will happen, but probably it will grow more than one. We cannot expect like this stay like a US stay out of this issue, and while the countries are suffering from this. All right, we will see. Let's look at Bitcoin. What's happening there?
You are ready to win with us. GAN Markets.
All right, Bitcoin is not going up and just testing low levels. and it is just wasting time these days. I'm saying wasting time because okay, crypto traders are generally loves high volatility. They always want skyrocketed prices, and they just want to see 100k like a 500k prices in Bitcoin. When they see on 75, 76, 70, sorry, 55, 56, 57 levels, they don't like it to see these levels. All right, but as you can see here, it is getting on this point too much and not going up that fast. We may see decline in Bitcoin in short term because people can switch to altcoins. Then a bull market in altcoins can be tested because there are a lot of different projects in these crypto market, and the whales sometimes do this. They are switching from Bitcoin, from Ethereum to altcoins. They just make those prices skyrocket, and then they take some profit and coming back to Bitcoin, and each way selling from high in Bitcoin and buying deep from on these altcoins. Then after the drop of the Bitcoin, they are buying again and making the price high. So in just 2 moves, they are doubling their money. They love it. So we may see the same thing. If they cannot make money, they can try getting into altcoins. It is also a possible scenario in Bitcoin. So we have to see above 60k. If we don't see that one, then we will see this scenario will work. It will go down first and some altcoins will just go up, and then with low prices of Bitcoin, they will just come back to Bitcoin again. This is also a high popular scenario in Bitcoin market, so please cautious on your buy positions in Bitcoin these days. All right, let's look at our loss chart. All right, our last chart is silver. We were expecting to go higher than 23, but it's not happening. As we said, 23 area will be tested, and we have to see some green candles that we can make sure that it's going up, but it's not happening, and it is getting low and low. The price is testing really low areas. Let me just show you. As you can see here, after this level, after this accumulation period, it is testing. It was in October, in the middle of October, and then this price has started. Right now we see that the same levels as October is being tested, but this time even in these positions we see like falling down and trying to hold here, but even here not helping. We may see further declines if we see high dollar index in silver prices, and please just make your investment accordingly. As you can see here, after this level and sharp declines, something like this can be seen even until 21 level, 21 USD level. So but on return, if we see a bullish trend, then we may see another $25 level, and that makes a lot of money. So please do your math properly and watch us. We will update you on more videos. Thank you so much for watching. We will be together on more news. We will cover more analysis. Have a nice and profitable day. Bye.